I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're gonna have some fun. So right here I'm showing off my kind of the newest addition to the fleet, which is my 1999 J-body Chevy Cavalier Z24 convertible. Yeah, it's a fun car. It's the 2.4 twin cam naturally aspirated engine. What I have to do today is I gotta swap the switch in the center console for the windows. But because we just hit 50 subscribers on the channel, I just wanted to say, woo! Time to have some fun. But before we start off this video, I just want to give a big shout out to Mechanics and TLD LTD. These two guys you can see in almost every single video. You can see them commenting, giving you advice, just sharing some knowledge passed on to this youngin'. And it's just awesome that we're starting to build a community together and have something where we're just come together as a car community, as just general people. I heard a meow. Hello, cat. Yeah, you can come up here. Hello, Maximus. Oh, you don't want to be held today? That's okay. But I want to say thank you to those guys because they're supporting the channel, and they're commenting literally almost on every single video. Mechanics has a little badge actually beside his name saying he's the one who's commented the most on this channel. So I just want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to them. And if you guys are watching, please message me because I like to buy you a coffee or I like to do something for you because you got to share the love. Like I've started telling my friends and started telling people around me, build the community up with you. Don't outgrow the community, because you build up the community, you build something, you build a family there. You build above the community, you're alone, you're by yourself. Yes, hi Bobby. Oh, you've been rolling in the gravel, Bob. So let's carry on to a couple more shout outs I want to give is DD Speed Shop, because I did automotive videos on my own channel, Marcus Schneider, for a bit, but then he helped. I had this idea in the past and he just kind of helped motivate me push forward to go, screw it, let's just start making car videos on its own. As well as he's a Chevy guy, so we got the old Chevys here that are both on parts and pieces. I also want to give a shout out to Taryn. When the channel started, she was a huge support. Very good artist and all that. Giving huge support towards the channel and pushing it, even pushing some of it on her social media, so I appreciate that. And then there's a lot you can see. Like, I also want to say thank you to the car guys. Their mottos of pushing everyone to help the community, become partner in this. I can't remember the catchphrase off the top of my head right here, but they're pushing to help the community, grow the community, be a part of the community, not be the competition. Community, not competition. And all these things are important to me. So going forward with that, let's have some fun. I'm going to show you what some of these cars can do, because I'm a J-body and a muscle car guy. How does someone love muscle cars, muscle trucks, and all this? I work on 60s, 70s stuff, and then he comes to the 2000s and loves his J-bodies. Well, I'm about to show you why.
Reckless, more than I've been free. Defenseless, with your eyes on me. It's like I'm caught inside your endless sea, falling fast into the deep. Surrender, won't be sound asleep. Yeah. I've never known a life like this, a stranger's kiss, the sweet attraction. I've never known a love like this, forbidden bliss, consumed in action. I've never known a life like this, a strange. precious.
Now that I've had my fun, let's replace this switch and then we'll give her a bath because she's a bit dirty. So you got our new switch right here, old one. All you gotta do is you just need a little screwdriver with this, push this tab in, pop it. So as I was saying, as I got interrupted, these switches are really easy. You just pop them off. And it's just these little flaps. This guy's already, whoever's previously owned this, I see, has made some advancements. Ew, that's kind of gross and grody. So there you go, you have that. I'll leave a link of this where I bought this off Amazon. It was actually cheaper than Rock Auto for once. I do like supporting Rock Auto. We still do have a video out right now for a Rock Auto discount. So you can use that. I think that lasts like till like the middle of the month. But got our nice plate here. This made in Mexico, genuine, nice. You can definitely tell the difference in the wear. And obviously this is like brand new. Same module. You just have to be careful with these blue tabs. You can't see that. These blue tabs, you push them in and down. You want to do that on both sides. Oh, these things are a pain sometimes. There we go. There's one. See, you push tab in, pull it out a bit. Come on, keep going. Push the other tab in. Pull out the tab. And this should just wiggle out. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm wrong. There's another little white tab here now. So you just push the white tab in and it should just start coming out. There you go. Pop that boy out. There is literally no difference between these other than one's original and one's a aftermarket. But the problem is my one switch is starting to fail. So that's why I'm replacing it. So let's just quickly install this. Only goes in one way. You can look at the pins. There's one pin missing and there's one pin missing. Plus the slide will catch you. So there is only one way of putting this in. Put it in. I like putting these little lock tabs back in. Right there. Look, that's like, it's easy. It's really easy. It's not hard to do. Replacement part for this. Make sure this goes the correct way. You want the smaller side to face the back. Pop that in. Pop that in. Oh, I gotta reach over here, hit the brake. Got the brake going, you can see. Why is that backwards? So I'm not saying hide this fact, my switch is defective. My driver's side, when you go up, it goes down. When you go down, it goes up. That's fine. I just got off the phone with Amazon. This is why I deal with like Amazon. They just gave me a full refund. So I bet this probably is not a normal occurrence because I didn't see any reviews. All reviews from this company are pretty good and everything. So, and it does say lifetime warranty on it. So I'll leave the link down for the switch below because it does look like a high quality, nice switch to replace the factory switch. So I will leave a link down in the description below. If you have any problems, obviously just phone up Amazon and they'll help you out. They'll figure it out because Amazon and Scott, like, always be fully transparent. Amazon's a really good company most of the time to deal with, and that's like why I deal with companies like Amazon, Rock Auto, Racing Summit. These companies that I deal with cars, the reason I use them is because they're pretty good. They have really good customer service most of the time. I'll be honest, most of the time. Sometimes you get someone who's having a bad day, and they're there to help you. So now I'm gonna throw you on fast forward because we're gonna vacuum up and wipe down the entire car, and then I'm going to pressure wash the outside of it and then hand wash the top. So let's give this car some love.
I got lost in your emerald eyes when you hold me time flies. Will I ever know if I don't try? Look at me and smile, acting all unsurprised. Spinning like I lost control. All I see is you can take it slow. Don't you know your love is all I know? Friends tell me to leave, but I could never let go. I don't need anything but you. You rock my world out of the blue. Can't stop this feeling if only you knew how bad I want you to come through. Try, look at me and smile, acting all unsurprised. I don't need anything but you. You rock my world out of the blue. Can't stop this feeling if only you knew how bad I want you to come through. I don't need anything but you. You rocked my world out of the blue. me spinning like I lost control. All I see is you can take it slow. Don't you know your love is all I know? Friends tell me to leave, but I can never let go. I don't need anything but you. You rock my world out of the blue. Can't stop this feeling if only you knew how bad I want you to come through. I don't need anything but you. You rock my world out of the blue. I don't need anything but you.
So we're the end off the video there. Car's all nice and clean, as you can see, spotless. Man, it cleans up nice. It looks good on camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying our classics. We're at 50 subscribers. We're gonna keep growing and keep going. Once we hit 100, we're giving away a couple postcards and shirt and stickers, so stay tuned to that. Yes, dog. You're a good dog. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You know what to do. 95% of you who are watching aren't subscribed. Change that. See you guys in the next video.
Take me home.